Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2010 Heritage Softail Classic. Heritage Softail Classic. Vivid black is the color. It, smoke turn signals up front. Engine guard. It does have a stage 1 intake and a set of true duals with fishtails. It does have a run brake turn setup out back. Air wing luggage rack. It does have the light end back there too. Kiriak and ISO grips. Bike's in good shape. You'll have a 96 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. It's got a lot of the Willie G collection on here too. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.